Hello everyone, this is CrazyRedMan here. Today I feel sick, and I'll be taking the second video today. Today I'll be reacting to a video called Talented Girl. Makes animal noises. So, I watched this video already, and now I'm going to show you how my reaction is on this video. It looks pretty funny, and I really want to show you guys it. So, let's get on to the video and react this video. Ow.
Dog. Cat.
Oh my god. Oh my.
American Robin. Cricket. Owl. Woo! 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 Crow.
How'd she do that?
Wolf. Peacock. Horse. Elephant. Cow. Sheep. Duck. Goose.
Or
Morning dove. Kookaburra.
oh jeez.
Monkey. And parrot.
Man, that was pretty cool. Well, I didn't really laugh. So that's my second video of the day. I'll try and make a video probably before a month. So I hope you like this video. I need a like. I need you to click on the like button. Don't dislike this video. And write a comment down below. And I'll put the video in the description if you want to see it. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.